ladies, so keeping your sew-in with leave-out clean is a must for maintaining the health of your natural hair and ensuring that your extensions last as long as they should. Today I'm going to break down a detailed step-by-step guide on how to wash your sew-in at home. So by following these steps, you'll keep your sew-in and your leave-out looking flawless while maintaining the health of your natural hair. Hey babe, so I'm Tiffany, the owner of Luxury Hair Silhouette. If you're a leave-out girly like me, this video is definitely for you. Okay babe, so I start off by carefully detangling my hair and my leave-out to avoid any knots during the wash. As you can see, I'm using a wide tooth comb which is gentle on the hair. Make sure you're patient here. This is an important step to keep your extensions and leave-out intact. Next, I'll be washing my hair with the Amika Hydro Rush Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this product because it's super hydrating and gentle, and it's perfect for your natural hair and extensions. So I like to do a two-part shampoo and conditioning method for washing my leave-out and my hair extensions to ensure that my hair feels super fresh after each wash. So first, I like to focus on shampooing areas in between my track and leave-out. So I do use a scalp massager and also my fingertips to massage my scalp. A scalp massager is known for stimulating hair growth with regular use. So I do use this on my leave-out and the portions in between my tracks. So now for shampooing my hair extensions, I like to use a downward smoothing motion rather than rubbing and scrubbing to prevent tangling. Now it's time to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the shampoo is removed. So for conditioning my hair, I also do the same two-part method where I focus on scrubbing my leave-out and my tracks, and then I move on to washing my hair extensions. Also, if you feel that your hair is on the dry side, you can also let your hair conditioner sit in your hair for 5 to 10 minutes. So again, you're going to want to use a downward motion rather than scrubbing and rubbing your hair to prevent tangling. As you can see, my hair, there's no tangles to be found. So this part might be uncomfortable for you, but I do recommend rinsing with cold water to seal the cuticles of your hair extensions. After rinsing, gently squeeze out excess water from your hair without wringing it. Then I clip my hair up and then wrap my hair with a microfiber wrap to get ready for the drying process. So as you can see, this hair barely needed any detangling, and this is what I mean by low maintenance. In case you're wondering, this is my LHS Luxe Natural Wave. I'm wearing 20 and 222-inch bundles. So as you can see, I'm separating my hair extensions from my leave-out. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite hair care products. To protect my natural hair from heat damage, I'm going to go in with my Thermal Mist Protectant. And because I want my leave-out to remain super healthy, I'm going to go in with my Luxe Revive Growth Oil. As you can see, I'm taking my time to add the oil and making sure I massage it into my scalp. I might have a little bit more of a leave out than you do. I have a 360 leave out, and that is because I like to wear my hair up in a ponytail for my gym workouts. Now I'm braiding my leave out, so my middle leave out and my perimeter braids, to get them out the way for drying my hair extensions. Since I'll be adding heat to my hair extensions, I'm going in with the thermal mist protectant. Using my Dyson Blow Dryer, I'm going to start by drying my hair extensions. This dryer is great because it's gentle and so fast. I love to use the wide tooth attachment that comes with this blow dryer because it detangles and dries at the same time. So I'll keep going in with this blow dryer until it's 90% dry, and you'll see why in the next clip. So this is why I say to blow dry your hair extensions to 90%, because after this process I'm going to go in with the bonnet dryer attachment. But let's not forget to give my scalp some TLC. Here I'm applying the Lux Revive Growth Oil, which paired with the dryer attachment creates a hot oil treatment which keeps my scalp healthy and also promotes hair growth. So I recently added the bonnet dryer attachment to my routine. I love that I'm able to get work done or just relax. It's a great opportunity to multitask. Now that everything is 100% dry, it's time to loose out your leave out braids. After unbraiding my leave out braids, I'm going to use a Dyson Blow Dryer with the wide tooth attachment to blow it out. Now I'm going to switch the wide tooth attachment on my Dyson dryer to a styling concentrator attachment to give my hair a quick blowout. This step makes it so much easier to straighten later. So now on to straightening. Since I have a leave out around the perimeter, that is exactly where I'm going to start first. So I'm using a T3 single pass 1-inch flat iron. Now I divide the extensions into small manageable sections. I like to clip up the top layers and start with the bottom sections for better control. So for a sleek finish, I like to use a tail comb with my flat iron. This helps to get every strand super smooth. Take your time here for the best results. Once all the sections are straightened, I'm going to comb through the extensions and blend them with my leave out. Next, I'm going to apply the no flyaway edge control to my edges. I opt for no baby hairs this time, but you can style as you like. If you don't have grays, you can go ahead and skip this step. So since I hit my 30s, I like to use this root cover up spray on my center part to cover up my grays when I'm in between salon appointments. To add extra shine and softness, I finish off with the argan oil spray. And there you have it, your sew-in is freshly washed, styled, and given fresh install without leaving the house. So there's no need for you to pay for maintenance services that you can actually do yourself. Here are some tips. Make sure you wash your sew-in every 7 to 14 days to prevent buildup. Always ensure that your natural hair is completely dry before styling. Always sleep with a satin bonnet or silk bonnet to reduce the friction and to maintain the integrity of your hair extensions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.